Hey everybody, this is Brett from Camilo Law. We are a law firm located in Southern California, dedicating to helping people navigate on their immigration journey. On this video, I am going to talk about entering into the United States and certain questions I've been asked, searches at the border, things that might feel uncomfortable, an invasion of your privacy. Are they allowed? What can you do? Stuff like that. So please listen up. This is actually some really good information. It actually applies to certain laws and the Constitution and search and seizures at the border and what's allowed and what's not allowed by Border Patrol. So listen up and you're going to get some good information. So I'm going to give you guys a quick little law school run through, and basically what I'm talking about is the Fourth Amendment, okay? In the Fourth Amendment, that protects anybody, regardless of your immigration status, regardless if you are a U.S. citizen, regardless, it doesn't matter who you are. If you are in the United States, everyone is protected by the Fourth Amendment, which is preventing illegal searches of your person or seizures, meaning actual detaining you, a detention, basically seizing you from going about and being free within the United States. And again, this applies to anybody. The Constitution applies to everybody here in the United States. It does not matter whether you're here undocumented, entered without inspection, or a U.S. citizen. Everyone that's in this country is entitled to the Fourth Amendment. So what happens when you are entering into the United States lawfully? Perhaps you're entering through the border, or you flew into, let's say, LAX, Los Angeles International Airport, and you're stopped at customs or border protection, and they want to go through your phone. They want to go through your baggages. They want to open up your purse. They want to have you go through one of those X-ray machines and stuff like that. Are they allowed to do that? So here is the thing. Yes, they can. I have to go through customs as well, and they have opened up my luggage, and it's uncomfortable. It's, there's stuff in there that, that I don't know. It's just, it's an uncomfortable feeling. Not that I have anything weird in there, but it's still uncomfortable. So I can only imagine being someone that's not from this country entering in and being stopped and having someone go through your phone and all these suspicious things happening that draw concern. But the fact of the matter is there is an exception to illegal searches at the border, which means Border Patrol is given a very high level of discretion when it comes to not only detaining you, but searching you. So if they want to go through your baggage, they can. If they want to go through your phone, they can. Now, you can decline, but guess what's going to happen is if you decline, then they're going to make your life difficult by not admitting you into the United States. And that's sort of their way of saying, okay, fine, if you don't want to comply and give us access to your phone, or you don't want to open up your luggage for us, or you don't want to answer our questions, then guess what? You're not coming into the United States. And the courts have ruled that this has been allowed. Now, there are lawsuits that are pending challenging this very thing. The ACLU has also challenged this, and these things are going through the courts as we speak. But overall, even though you are in the United States or your loved one might be in the United States and the Fourth Amendment applies, when it comes to entering through the border, the courts have given great discretion, meaning a privilege, the ability for them to search your person, to search your items, to go through your phone. And although it's intrusive and sometimes even disrespectful, the way they handle the situation, I think there's an etiquette issue when it comes to border protection and entering into the United States, whether it's through an airport or through an actual border like the U.S.-Mexico border or the U.S.-Canada border. There's a certain sense of etiquette, right? How you approach things, how you talk to people in order to get what you want, which is being able to search them. And sometimes it can come across as very disrespectful. The most important thing I can tell those that are going through, comply. If you don't comply, then you run the risk of not being admitted. It's almost, I don't want to say a guarantee, but you're definitely setting yourself up for not being admitted into the United States. Hopefully this clarifies a few things. I know it's not something that people want to hear. It can, like I said, it can feel very intrusive, but unfortunately right now that is the law. It's about safety, ensuring that the people coming into the United States are not coming in with illegal items or things that could harm or endanger the public welfare. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to reach out to me. My information is right there, and I will do my best as always to navigate you on your immigration journey. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. I'll see you on the next one.